friends, here we're going to draw another cake pop.
Yeah, this time we're going to draw Frankenstein. Here's what our drawings look like at the very end. We hope you're really excited to follow along with us.
Yeah, this one's super fun.
Yeah, really fun. And I always love drawing with you because art is better with my daughter, Olivia.
Yeah.
And what are we using to draw with?
Markers.
Yeah, markers. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Last time we used our pencil to draw the main shapes. This time we're just using our marker. And we're going to draw a square shape instead of a circle for Frankenstein's head because he's a big monster guy.
He has a big brain.
Yeah, big brain. Let's draw 2 lines and we're going to draw them kind of spread apart. So I'm going to draw them here and here. Yes, and then we can draw a little curve down at the bottom for the chin, and then we're going to draw a little curve in this corner for the other, well, the cheeks. Yes, and then up here, we're going to draw a little different. We're going to draw a zigzag line. We're going to go up, down, up, down, and down. And look, I went a little past on the outside, just a little. Yeah, this is for the hair, Frankenstein's hair.
Frankenstein has hair?
Yeah, zigzag hair.
Oh.
It was kind of hard to say his name. Frankenstein.
Frankenstein. That's his nickname.
Yeah, okay. I like it. Frankenstein. Okay, next let's draw the head, or the top of the hair, I mean. We're going to draw it coming over and then back down and kind of completes the square shape. It could help hold the paper. Yes! Next, let's draw the ears. We're going to draw the letter C on the left and a backwards C on the right. Yeah. And then we got to draw the little bolts sticking out of the neck. We're going to draw 2 short lines and we want them to be the same distance on both sides. This one is a little bigger than this one.
I thought they had it on the top of their head, like right here.
Oh, nope. This is the neck. It holds the head to the neck. Oh. So it doesn't fall off. Then we're going to draw a line connecting. And let's turn those into really skinny rectangle shapes. Okay, what's our Frankenstein missing?
Face.
Yeah, face. I'm going to draw a happy face. But you could change it. It doesn't have to be happy, or it could be really happy and you could draw it open. I'm just drawing the letter U for the mouth. Oh, that's perfect. I like how small it is. Then let's draw the eyes. We can draw an oval shape for each eye. You drew the mouth smaller than mine and the eyes bigger than mine. And it looks perfect. The next time I draw it, I'm going to do it just like that. And then we can color in these eyes. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Now we're missing one more thing to turn this into a cake pop.
A stick.
Yeah, the stick. We're going to draw 2 lines coming down from the chin. And I'm drawing them straight down. Yes. Oh, I like how thick your stick is. And then we're going to draw curving around at the bottom.
So extra grip.
Yeah, extra grip. Yeah, that's for little babies so they can hang on to it better.
That's why the face looks like a baby.
Yeah. Now we still need to do one more thing.
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. Olivia, we did it! We finished coloring our little cake pops and they turned out awesome. Yours is always my favorite. It's super cute.
Yours is always my favorite.
Thanks. But next time I need to draw my face like yours with the teeny little mouth.
We also added stitches.
Yeah, oh, I added a big one, kind of looks like his eyebrow, and then you added a little one on the cheek. And our friends could add even more things and different things.
Like a background.
Oh yeah, you could draw yourself getting ready to eat your cake pop.
Now I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a cake pop with us.
We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.